G'day, it's Phil from PT Precision Automotive again. We've got a Holden Rodeo here, V6 petrol, 07 model, H1 engine in it, the V6 petrol, yeah. So this thing's got nasty timing chains, rattle, stand, this sort of stuff. You can hear that rattling. So we're going to strip it all down, manifolds off, rocket covers off, front end off to do all the timing chains. I mean, Emma here is going to do the job. Girls can do anything. Apparently girls are not meant to be a girl job this, but you know, girls can do anything. She's going to do it. So we're just going to video Emma doing this. This is the first one you've done?
Chain,
yeah. So she's done timing belts and everything else like that. So girls can do anything just as well as boys can. Sometimes better. So anyway, she's going to get into it. We'll show you how we go. Yep. Well, we're watching Emma do it. So she's well underway, stripping it down. She's got the manifold off, the rockers off. It's not very clean in here, so it's got a lot of build up. So lack of oil changes in here. So it doesn't look too great, but anyway, it's not the worst you've seen. So well, she'll continue on, stripping it down. That's good. It's all good. She's getting dirty. So Emma's got the front timing case off. This is a well-presented meat tray. So she's got it all off. It's Friday afternoon, yeah, so the tensions are really stretched out. You can see them moving big time on there, so we'll strip the rest of it down on Monday. Yeah? Well done. All good. Emma's just in the process of stripped it all the timing chains off. We've got all top dead center. We've got locking tools too for the cams, at the back of the cams here. So they're all locked in. Emma's just in the process of putting, we should put the left hand bank on already timed up. That's just putting the oil pump chain on and then the other chain. So anyway, she's getting there, yeah? Go? Oh. Okay, so Emma's been cracking along with getting it back together. So we haven't done a full explanation of everything that we've done. Obviously it's quite clear that you can see what we've done, but it's just about people and their impressions of girls doing things. They're always half-hearted. Employees won't employ girls to do what they call a man's job. Well, Emma's quite capable of doing it and getting her hands dirty. But more to the point with Emma is that she wants to do this job, and she was more than excited to do these timing chains. She hadn't done a set of these timing chains. They're a bit of a complex unit, big job. More than capable of doing it, ain't you, Emma? Yeah, she loves it. So she's close to finishing this one off. She's got a bit of problem with the harmonic balancer going back in, but we'll pull it back off again and have another look at that, and then manifolds on, we'll be able to start it. Yeah, that's good. All right. So you got it all put together. Everything's done. Everything's done. Moment of truth. Fire it up. Stand back. It's out of gear. It's on gear. That's all good. Yeah. Oh well. You can actually hear it. Because we didn't put new gears on it, you can hear that a little bit. Yeah. But if you hadn't put new gears on it, it would make it better, but this guy didn't want to spend the money on it. Anyway, all good. Let's do an oil and filter change, and got to put some water in there, and you switch it off.
Place it right.
Yeah, all good.